Sydney! Day 4. Chatting with all of you guys on Facebook Live, and it was awesome. Thank you so much, guys. I really feel so close to you guys when I can talk live to you, and I really want to do it more next time. Anyway, so now I'm going to my vlog because I haven't vlogged and the light is almost gone. I don't know if you can see it. No, it's actually looking nicer on the camera than it's in reality here. But this is the backdrop of the Sydney Opera House. And as I showed you on my Facebook live session, whoever was there on my live session, the cool thing is it's night, so there's like lights and all the buildings and houses up, so it looks of course pretty cool. Do you see this? Yeah, this is a better view. And I'm gonna make a turn slowly so you see that. I'm sorry, the pixelation, it's very pixelated right now, so you don't see it properly, but I'm trying to do my best to show you everything in this dark hour in Sydney. It's 6 p.m. now here, I guess, so the light is kind of gone. And let me show you the harbour bridge as well. There is a famous harbour bridge, guys, in Sydney. Now you've seen Sydney Opera House. It maybe let me see and I can get another better shot of the Sydney Opera House without me in the frame. Otherwise people are going to be like, oh my god, the entire time your big face was in the camera. I'm sorry guys. I mean, this is a vlog, I'm not a documentary, so of course my face will be in it because you're watching this for my face, I hope, and not, I mean, also for the fact that I'm traveling, but also that I'm in that traveling vlog. Okay, hold on, I'm going down and then I'll show you better. All right, bye. So right now I'm at the Botanical Garden, or the Botanic Garden, how you would say it, and they have lit up this thing also for the Vivid Sydney Festival, and it's so cool because I feel like I'm walking through a complete lit gate of lights. Lit gate of lights actually makes no sense, but it's really awesome because like everywhere around me are these lights. So pretty exciting. This is so cool, guys. Come during the Vivid Sydney Festival, and I'm not advertising for them, I'm not getting paid to do that, but come, guys. And check this, the best is the Sydney Opera House. You have a snake right now going on top of the Sydney Opera House, and it's all done by lighting. It's amazing. Alright, Tricksters, day 5, and it is raining a lot today here. And that is why I thought let's go to the aquarium. So right now at the aquarium and seeing some really awesome fish and all kinds of things, and I'm going to show you now what I am seeing, so you have life experience of how it is at the aquarium in Sydney. Hopefully I'm going to find Nemo as well. Yep, also finding Dory. Well, we find out now. Come with me. God, I just found Nemo. I found Nemo. It took me like 5 minutes. I was hanging there and then finally he came out. I found him. He's so cute. And we found Dory right now. Woohoo! Find Dory. Halfway through the aquarium, and I gotta say, man, I've seen some fish I've never seen before. There was a lobster which was bigger than me. It was insane. So now I think I'm gonna go and see some sharks and some really scary fish. Okay, this is massive. I have not seen fish like this before. Like, this is so cool. It's like I'm swimming with them. But I'm inside, because if I would be outside then I wouldn't be able to breathe, so thank God. Oh, it is so beautiful how all these fish are living together. I wish we human beings could be like that sometimes. We should take an example from the fish, because these fish are awesome. So the fish which you saw right now, that big one, that is called a dugong. And as now I'm giving you guys some information here, some smart stuff, which is basically back then people used to see these dugong big fishes and thought these were mermaids. So they thought these were mermaids, but they weren't, which they found out because they kind of move similarly. So yeah, now we know that mermaids are basically off like from dugongs. That's the idea. So yep, gave you some guys some information and some knowledge. You are welcome. So we're right now at the section where they have sharks, like sharks, white sharks. So, and we're like in this tunnel. Thank God there's glass again, because it looks awesome from outside. It's not that awesome when you're actually in the water with the sharks. Oh, there's one right now coming our way. God, he looks dangerous. Just now, I'm gonna turn so you guys can see it. 3 of them at the same time. Damn, they are beautiful. He's just like chilling, going slow motion. He's slow motion swimming. It's like time stopped. Alright, so just got done with the aquarium, and man, this was an experience, I gotta tell you. Like, fish I have never seen before, and just beautiful. And just some water dropped on my face because it's still raining, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can actually see it. Anyway, so this was just so worth it. The zoo, personally, I was like, no, don't need to go there, because half of the animals weren't even there. So this was really fun. The aquarium, I have never seen an aquarium like this in my life. So well maintained, amazing fish, sharks, just everything. So yeah, in case you guys ever make it to Australia, Sydney, come to the aquarium. Totally worth it. Woohoo! Last day in Sydney. And yeah, as usual, I gotta get my shop on. So I'm here in my favorite store, Forever 21, because I love this store. And yeah, I'm gonna get some tops, some cool stuff. So that's like going to be the plan for today, because my flight is at 6 p.m. So I gotta shop and get the things I really want, and very much excited. So yeah, that's pretty much my day, and I'm pretty much very sad now that this trip is getting over. But oh well, everything has to come to an end as again. But I will be traveling soon again, hopefully. Let's see. But again, a shout out to Big Me for these awesome people who have brought me all the way out here, and that I can be here and experience Sydney and let you all guys into the world of Sydney as well. So yeah, I will probably vlog again once I'm at the airport. So let's get shop. So for all the guys out there who think that shopping is so much fun for girls, actually it's not. It brings out a lot of stress, especially when you really want to buy something and there's absolutely nothing available. Oh God, it's like the worst thing ever. And right now I'm going through that. I'm literally not finding anything. Like everything, like everything is here for winter, which makes no sense because I won't need any winter clothes in Mumbai. It's a lot of stress for us girls to go through this. Yes, please have empathy with us. We need that from you guys. Also, it's so weird, that pimple I have right next to my nose, it's still there and it's so ugly. Do you guys also deal with that problem that your pimples come and they just don't go? Oh, it's so irritating. Oh well, at least we girls have makeup. What are you guys gonna do? Live with it? I'm so mean. Sorry. So guys, I'm at the airport in Sydney. I did some last minute shopping and I got some cute things. Anyway, so now this is it. This was my trip in Sydney and I loved every single bit of it. I hope you guys did too. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as always. And of course, comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought of it. And in case you liked it so much, you can also share it. Yes, you can. And of course, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. And you don't want to miss out. और अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's true. Bye.